Welcome to my video on using the project Gantt chart template. A Gantt chart is a visual project management tool that outlines tasks over time, displaying their start and finish dates. It's widely used by project managers, teams, and businesses to track progress and ensure deadlines are met. This tool is essential for capturing data effectively, as it helps in identifying dependencies, allocating resources efficiently, and maintaining clear communication among team members. Let's dive in and explore how you can leverage this powerful template to enhance your project management skills. In row 11 of this detailed table, we have the relevant column headers that are essential for the specific data needed in the Gantt chart format. The entire table is formatted with distinctive fill colors and bold border lines for enhanced clarity. Above the main project table, there's a mini summary table that summarizes key data points from below, displaying the total number of projects successfully captured in column D. Currently, only one unique project ID is recorded. Let's efficiently populate column D with random project IDs for demonstration. As you can clearly see, the total projects displayed in cell E3 have been updated automatically by the complex formula. Each project consists of distinct phases or stages leading directly to completion. Work is organized systematically rather than in a random manner. This particular column will thoroughly document the phases associated with the project IDs entered in column D. Column E will capture the names of all employees or supervisors responsible for each specific task in every phase. Now, let's quickly fill column F with various random employee names for consistency. This indicates that employee 1 is specifically assigned to project ID1, and so on in this process. Finally, we can easily enter project phases in column G by simply dragging down the entries to populate them. Now, cell F5, merged with cell F6, displays the current time accurately. This time is specifically intended to alert us, especially when we set a daily reminder message using the Set Daily Reminder button feature. Cell F3, merged with cell F4, clearly shows the current date and time. To set the daily reminder message, all you need to do is click on the Set Daily Reminder button. Immediately, a dialog box will pop up, asking you for the time you want the reminder message to appear, and it will also display the required time format for the input box. For this lesson, let's enter 5 hours 43 minutes and 0 seconds AM as our time. Click the OK button when you're done entering the time. Another dialog window will appear like this, where you need to enter the daily reminder message. When you're finished, simply click OK, and the window will close automatically. Setting daily message reminders in Excel has many benefits. Do they help you stay organized? Yes. Can they improve time management? Absolutely. Do they ensure you meet deadlines? Definitely. Can they reduce the risk of forgetting tasks? Yes. Do they enhance productivity? Certainly. Are they customizable for various tasks? Yes. Do they provide alerts for recurring events? Absolutely. Finally, do they help track project progress? Yes. I have also created buttons that enhance your Excel workbook's functionality. These buttons let you search for data, add new entries, delete rows, save work, and filter tables. Using these buttons streamlines your workflow, making data management easier and more efficient. They save time, reduce errors, and boost productivity. If you want to learn how to use these buttons, please check my link for the Project Management Workbook Overview tutorial in the description below. Now, these column G and H are for capturing the project start dates and end dates. Column I captures the duration of each project using a formula.
Hello, this is Nathan presenting.
Immediately after the message is set, this message will be displayed on the screen. After reading it, simply click OK to close it. Now that you've closed the daily reminder message, take a moment to reflect on your priorities for the day. Consider what tasks need your immediate attention and how you can best allocate your time. Remember, staying focused on your goals will help you make progress, so don't hesitate to adjust your plans as needed. Keep in mind that small, consistent steps can lead to significant achievements over time. Now let's use the scroll bar to view the chart bars. The reason you're seeing the bars starting from March 21st to April 11th is that our chart is set to weekly intervals, so the bars may not start on the exact date but will provide a close range. Scroll back and go to cell M10, where we will enter our chart intervals. As you can see, we have daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, and yearly options. Let's check the daily interval for the previous date range. Now the bar starts on the exact date of March 23rd instead of March 21st and ends on April 17th instead of April 11th. Now, let's discuss the project status in column J. If you click the drop-down list, you will find the project statuses I created. Please note that these are my own selections. If you change the status, the summary table will automatically update, and the percentage bar in column K will also adjust. Let's return to our bar range and see if it updated. As you can see, the bar still shows completed with no change. To update it to reflect the not started status, click on the interval drop-down list and change it from daily to monthly or quarterly to reduce the chart sizes. The previous bars have been cleared, and we are now left with the current bar chart, which has updated to show not started as a grey horizontal bar. Next, let's change the end date in cell H12 to your desired interval. Change the project status to near completion and then adjust the interval again. You'll see that the bar chart updates immediately to reflect the same color as the status for the given date range. Now let's change the date in cell H13. You can double-click to edit the cell or make changes in the formula bar. Next, go to cell M10 and change quarterly to monthly. Update the project status in J13 from in progress to cancelled, and then change the drop-down from monthly to quarterly. Notice that if you switch the interval from quarterly to yearly, we see the project today line bar in the second year. The reason we aren't seeing it is that our current date is 2025, and this today line bar only displays in the current year. Let's check what happens when we change the interval to weekly. As you can see, the today line bar does not display across the entire chart range. To make it visible, let's go back to the project durations and adjust our date ranges, especially in the end date column. Remember, the project start date should be earlier than the end date. Let's drag to change the dates from 2024 to 2025, our current year. When you're done, go to the intervals and change them from daily to weekly, and then back to daily. We want to see the today line on April 1, 2025. Once you finish, use the scroll bar to find the today line across all the bars in the chart. As you can see, our current today line bar starts exactly at the first project and extends to the last project, although some projects have end dates that are further back. It will only use the ones with current dates or those beyond the today line. Finally, let's scroll back and note that we are using the formula == today open bracket, close bracket == to display the current date in cell F3. Now notice that if we go back to our project status column, clicking on any status and then changing the project status will update the percentage bar in column K. If you click on the bar, a formula will be displayed in the formula bar, where you can assign your own custom percentages for each status and rewrite the status categories if you want to edit them. For the project duration, we are using a simple formula, which is the end date minus the start date, to calculate the total days for each specific project. However, if you click anywhere in the Gantt chart range, you will notice that no formula is displayed in this area. The reason is that I haven't hidden any formulas. Rather, I'm using a macro to generate and match these bars with their statuses in column J. The interval is also managed by a macro. To distinguish the bars, I have added white border lines and used tick marks for completed projects and X marks for cancelled projects.
The today line is simply a fill color I used to format the current date column, and it is also generated by the macro code. In conclusion, today's lesson has equipped you with essential skills for effectively managing project statuses and visualizing timelines. By mastering these techniques, you can enhance your productivity and streamline your workflow. If you're eager to learn more about creating and formatting tables or setting up dynamic drop-down lists, check out the tutorials I've included in the description below. Don't forget to explore my playlists, where you'll find a treasure trove of unique and exciting lessons designed to elevate your skills and empower you in your projects. Plus, if you're interested in a free version of my templates, simply comment in the section below with the template you desire. This not only helps you but benefits others in our community as well. Please subscribe for more upcoming tutorials packed with valuable insights and tips. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next lesson. Let's continue this journey of learning and growth together.